Language is diverse and varied. Furthermore, it holds great power and influence. The various forms of language and the ways in which it can be used draws attention to the complexities involved in systems of communication. Accordingly, significant learning has occurred in respect of multiliteracies. The term multiliteracies refers to the two major aspects of language use today. The first is the increasing significance of cultural and linguistic diversity and the emergence of multiple Englishes. As explained by Walsh, becoming literate is a complex interaction between the learner's background, their language, and the context, purpose, and discourse of the text. Equally important, Owen states, no particular dialect is more important than any other, as each dialect operates to meet the communication needs of the community in which it is used. Thus, I have learnt that differences in styles of speech, accents, and idioms must be embraced and respected. The second aspect of language is the nature of new communications technology. I have learnt that there are various processes and modes of literacy which overlap with other domains. The term multimodal literacy refers to the meaning-making that occurs through reading, viewing, comprehending, responding to, producing and interacting with multimedia and digital texts. The rise of digital communications provides facilities for reading and writing to be combined with oral, visual, audio, gestural, tactile, and spatial patterns of meaning. Walsh emphasizes the need to blend new and traditional approaches whilst ensuring basic aspects of literacy, including reading, writing, grammar, and spelling, are still explicitly taught. Prior to completing this unit, I rarely thought about the mechanics of language. Initially, I found meta-language such as syntax and semantics overwhelming. Although aware of the terms, reflecting on their meaning and engaging in the conscious application of their use was not essential. Through readings such as Campbell and Riles, I rediscovered the rules, principles, and processes that govern the structure of sentences and how choice of words create meaning. Particular attention was paid to the use of passive language. As I was unfamiliar with the concept, the strong use of passive language in my text was an unexpected realization. However, I was excited to find an opportunity to make my sentences more powerful. According to Griella and Griok, an active voice helps to develop a strong tone and a clear, concise style. For instance, the sentence, "I have increased my literacy skills by completing this unit," focuses on the agent instead of focusing on the action. "Completing this unit has increased my literacy skills" is a more clear and concise sentence. Through this unit, I have developed a sufficient handle on the components of language, and I consciously engage in communicating with intent. Successful use of language and the resultant effectiveness in communications is empowering and exciting. As a result of my learning, I have a newfound love of language.
Created using Powtoon.